Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. We've got the third part of this giant Shein haul. I know you guys have watched the last two parts over the last 2 months, and now we're down to the last one, and this one is supplies. So let's get into it. The first supply we have is these lint-free wipes. They're not in individual cases, they're just in this big thing. And this sticker reminded me of diaper baby wipes. And I was like, what's this? I had a very difficult time peeling this up, so I folded it down so it wouldn't be difficult anymore. But there's a hole. You can pull your wipes out here and then reseal it. Look, I've already got crap on it. I was touching things previously. But I think that is how I'm going to utilize these, so I don't just have them everywhere. Next, I got some more of these bags. You've seen them on my previous Shein haul. This is what I keep my cases in that contain my nail art stuff. I got 2 more of these. This one I haven't opened yet. The other one I've actually already started putting things in from this very same order. I also got this item. These are like the little beauty blender makeup sponges, but smaller. So you can do some sponge work on your nails. Some of them are pointed so that you can kind of get in there a little bit better. And then others are round. I would recommend, because there's only a few of these, try to clean them when you're done using them. I use regular nail polish, and so that will dry in here if I don't clean it off. And if I want these to last any amount of time, I'm gonna have to make an effort. They may still not. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna give it a try. Next, I got some of these silicone tools. I do have a couple of small silicone tools that have come with other kits, but I wanted these because they come with a variety of shapes. And I wanted to be able to choose the shape that I like and have something a little bit bigger to hang on to for when I'm pushing down my transfer foils. And potentially, if and when I ever start pushing around gel products, I will have these available as well. This is not a nail related item, but it is something that I did order. Let me see if I can show it to you. Okay, so occasionally I order jewelry items, and this actually hangs over the back of your ear and these dangle down. And so I just thought it was really cute. A little bit disappointed it only comes with one, but whatever, I'll still wear it. I also got this pack of files. It's one metal file and then these sheaths that stick to it. So it's a regular file, and then when they get worn down, you just tear them off and throw them away. I also got this stamper. It is small. Most of my stampers are bigger. These actually come with a couple scrapers too. But this way, whenever I just want to pick up one small stamp, I don't have to then clean off around it. I can just get the one item that I want. One side is this white. I believe it's probably a stickier side. I've never had a white one, but the clear side is what you're used to. I did also get this pack of nail cleaning brushes. I didn't need this many, but this is how many came in the pack. So I guess I'll never need to buy any more, theoretically. I did also get a couple of nail stands. These are used when making press-on nails, just to make it a little bit easier to hold the stand. I do have some items like these that are on strips. If you've seen my other videos that I have made press-ons, you've seen me using them, but I got these as well so that I could hang on them a little bit. Additionally, I did get a couple packs of press-ons. We've got some short square ones and some short almond ones. Currently, the press-ons I've been using are long, and I love them because they've got a lot of nail estate. But I make these press-ons for my friends, and some of my friends prefer short nails, so I was like, let me get some short ones so I can accommodate everyone. I did also get these fake fingers because I am learning polygel, and I'm not able to practice on my own fingers for obvious reasons, but if you're new here, it's because these are my natural nails, and I wear nail polish. Polygel doesn't really serve a purpose for me because I'm not going to add length to these. I just grow them myself. So at best, I could do an overlay, and maybe one day I will. But also, I don't want to run the risk of tearing up my natural nails. So it is something that I need to learn on a fake finger. And then lastly, I got this fancy tool. Let me show you what it is. So this part comes out. You slide a tube down in here. Potentially that tube might be toothpaste or it might be polygel. And then you put it into this crack as well, so it's in here like this. Then you turn it like a key, and so it sucks that tube down in here and pushes the stuff out of the top. Because as you know, if you work with polygel, sometimes it can be difficult to squeeze. And so this would just make that easier. They have them in metal too, but this plastic one seemed fine. It's pretty sturdy. But anyway, that's it. Here's my stuff. It was a short one. I told you it would be. Matter of fact, it's incredibly short. I didn't think it would be that short, but that's totally fine. I did just have a few supply items, and this is a bonus video anyway. Let me know if there are any nail supply items that I should get that may make regular nails, regular nail polish, and natural nails easier, potentially, or if there is something that would help me learn the polygel journey that I could use as well. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in all of my other videos. Bye.